Alright, so I do get asked what Skylines I have in my collection, and I'm a huge fan of the KDR 30s, pretty much any of the R series Skylines. Got some good old classics, definitely do like those. Like I said, KDR 30, one of my favorite castings, definitely do like this one a lot. Got some really nice releases for this one. You got the Zamac, the Mystery Model, Ultra Hots. This was another recent Ultra Hot find. R34s, definitely a hype car, but I've always been a fan of these as well. Of course, Fast and Furious culture definitely brought this in the spotlight. You got the more recent R32 Godzilla, very nice recent release. You also have it in yellow, very clean. Look at those taillights. Then you have the red one. I believe this was from the Nissan set. This is a Walmart exclusive series, I believe. Beautiful R32. Gotta mention this one, Brian's Skyline. Can't remember if this was a multi-pack or not. This one is N47 for the year of release for this particular car. Green mainline, there was a Super for this one. Used to have it, but gifted it to my friend Osvaldo. Definitely needed it in his collection. Lives in a baggie, but we have the blue R34. Gold PR5s. Very nice release as well. Going into the R32, black metallic, gray MC5s. Very clean. Another more recent Godzilla in a satin gray. It's also a clean release. Beautiful oldie purple metallic. Look at the details on this R32. Yeah, this one's nice. But then you also have this color. Blue metallic. Can't go wrong with that one. Here's a good oldie. This one is a mainline of the Super as well. Like this one a lot. Here's a recent release in black, the HKS Deco with white MC5s. What a clean setup. But then they also did a recolor in a dark blue metallic. It's very easy to confuse the two, but you have to pay attention to those things. It's a nice dark blue. And of course, to go with the satin gray, you have the white Godzilla. Very clean. Alright, going into the premiums. We got some more R32s. Definitely like those a lot. Even going down to the HKS. We have some from 2-packs. And then we got the R34s right here. You got the Liberty Walks. I think this was an individual release. This was an individual release. And then this came out of the 2-pack. Could be wrong with the mixture of cars. Could be these two. I don't know. Then we got this white one. This one is super clean. I mean, who doesn't love an R34? I mean, that is car culture right there. Got some R35s. Definitely like those. Just wait till you see the next case. This one also has some R32s in here. This one is almost a forgotten one. Beautiful red. Can't remember if this was a standalone or a series car, but it is an L30, so I'll post the year for this one. Then R35s. Gotta love those. We even have the Guaczilla with the bumper variation. So these R35s had the vented rear bumper right underneath the Hot Wheels flame. Then you had one without the vents. It was a well-known variation for these R35s. Got some Majorettes. And then we got the yellow. I think this one is the Kroger exclusive. Got the white, which was the main line for the Super, which came out in Spectre Flame Blue. Got the burnt orange release. Got a Majorette. Got a wheel swapped Majorette. Some more Majorette. I think this one was maybe 2-3 years ago. This was really cool. Sakura with Bilstein. Yeah, this one is awesome. Then we also had this anniversary one. This was an unlimited. Very cool release as well. This one was almost a color swing. You got a purplish blue. This one's from Pink Slips. This one's wicked. Definitely do like the body kit on this one. That's nice. Then we have this one with the removable body kit and drift wheels. You can actually take those wheels off and give it a normal stance. Definitely don't like the body kit on this one, but It is something you don't see on pegs anymore. I think this one came out in 23. Maybe? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Got another Majorette. Got a Hot Wheels release. This one is the variation of bumper. So you got the vented bumper, non-vented bumper. Then you got the R35, one of the first releases. And then we have a wheel swapped gray one. This one looks clean. Turn this around real quick. Got another Majorette. It's actually purple but looks blue on camera. Got the silver, got the blue, and going into the Datsun 510 wagons, which I was heavily collecting those back in Arizona. Got the Datsun 510s. Still got a Supra. Actually still got two Supras. Make that three. And then a custom from Bob. Look at that. That is a really nice color swing right here. Blue turns into purple. Don't know where he got those wheels, but I think it looks good. And of course, we do have more. We do have the white Skyline sets, which both releases. And we also have a custom set, but they're not in this video. So yeah guys, I might be the Mustang hunter, but you gotta remember, I went a few years picking up all the cars I enjoy. And yes, I still have them in the collection.